Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix an iPad that is not charging in a simple and effective way. First, check your charging cable and adapter. Make sure they are not damaged and are properly connected. Try using a different cable or power adapter to see if the issue is with the accessories. Next, inspect the charging port on your iPad. Dust or debris can block the connection, so gently clean it using a soft brush or a toothpick. You should also try a different power source, like another wall outlet or USB port, to rule out power issues. If your iPad still isn't charging, perform a force restart. Press and hold the power and volume buttons until the Apple logo appears. Finally, check for software updates in Settings, as bugs can sometimes affect charging. If nothing works, contact Apple support for further help. Subscribe the channel for more videos.